Hello everybody, today I'm going to teach you about Screencastify. This program is easy and free that allows you to record your screen as well as yourself to help walk your students through different lessons as well as activities. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and I hope it's easy to follow along, and let's go ahead and jump right in. All right, so obviously I am doing an example of this is kind of what it's going to look like as an example of where you're going to record your screen as well as yourself. So you will be placed in like a box at the bottom of the corner, and you can move it wherever on the screen you would like. So first you are going to want to search up www.screencastify.com. And my screen is going to look a little bit different. So if you've never actually used Screencastify, you are first going to want to download it. So it already says that I'm installed because I'm obviously using it. So you typically it'll say like install. So you're going to install that. And just as a tip, you do want to use Google Chrome because it will add a free extension, which mine is right here. That way it makes it easy for you to record anytime. And then once you add that extension, it will tell you and it'll should pop up. And this is a safe and verified tool, just as a heads up. Okay, so now that you have it installed onto your Google Chrome and have the extension, this is when you are going to want to sign into your Google account. If you have an educational account, this will make it to where you will have unlimited storage, so it won't take up any space on your personal accounts. And this will also make it easier to save your videos and upload them. So it will go like this. You sign into your account, and then you're going to pick your account. And for first-time users, this is when you will set your permissions as well as pick any of the settings. So you want to make sure Screencastify has permission for your microphone, your camera, as well as access to record the screen. And then as far as settings, since I already have done this, but this is kind of an example of some of the settings. Where they want the video saved, notifications, keyboard shortcuts, recording settings as privacy, and then the advanced settings. It will also ask you some personal questions such as what you're using Screencastify for, your education level, and stuff like that. So once that's done, you are set to start recording. So you just click that extension and you don't have to do this again. You don't have to set the permissions or the settings at all. Another tip is that with the free account, they will let you do 5 minutes per video. So with that said, you can record multiple videos and then combine them if needed, or you can make just a short video, a less than 5 minute video just to begin with. So let's go ahead and click on the extension that you installed. It's going to have a drop menu. This is when you can choose if you want to share what's on your desktop or only your webcam and your microphone. So you go ahead and pick your microphone. What embed webcam is when it can see you and your screen. You can pick a countdown timer. The show drawing tools, you can highlight what you want your audience to look at. And then go ahead and click on which screen you would like to share. Go ahead and click that blue button and it will show up the countdown, and then you will be ready to record. All right, so when you are ready to stop recording, you're going to go ahead and click on that extension again, and you just click that pause button right there. And this will just pause your screen temporarily or your voice, or you can just stop it completely and then it will take you to that different screen. And this is where you can share to the classroom, publish to YouTube. You can also click that down bar to download, export it. You can choose export audio only, and you can also retitle it. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned a lot. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.